Want to turn ordinary words into extraordinary art? Let's dive into Illustrator and learn how to visually represent words through custom typography and illustrations. First, create a new document in Adobe Illustrator. Use the Type tool to write out your desired word. Choose a font that complements the style you're aiming for. I'm using a bold, sans serif font for clarity, but experiment. Next, convert your text into outlines. Go to Type, then create outlines. This turns the text into editable shapes. Now, ungroup the letters by right-clicking and selecting Ungroup. Select each letter and start manipulating its form. Use the Direct Selection tool the white arrow to adjust anchor points and Bezier curves, reshaping the letters to fit your artistic vision. Now, for the fun part, incorporate illustrations. Think about the meaning of your word. What visuals reinforce it? Use the pen tool, shapes, or even place existing artwork to enhance your design. For example, for the word create, I'm adding some basic shapes to represent building blocks. Play with color, use gradients, solid fills, or even add textures to bring depth and dimension to your design. Consider your color palette and how it contributes to the overall message. And there you have it, custom word art created in Adobe Illustrator. Experiment with different fonts, illustrations, and colors to create unique designs that express your creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials.